Imagine gaining real-world skills that match today's demands and prepare you for the future's most sought-after, well-paying jobs. Ventura College's career education programs do just that. Our programs empower and prepare students to be work-ready in just 1 to 2 years. We equip our students with the exact skills industries are seeking, all without any lengthy commitments or hefty debt. Our instructors are experts in their fields and provide hands-on instruction in small, personalized classes. Not only are we doing great work in the classroom, but we also partner with local businesses to give our students industry experience, which leads them to fulfilling careers with sustaining living wages. Some of our partners include Gibbs Truck Centers, Toyota, Community Memorial Hospital, Ohana Pet Hospital, Haas Automation, Mission Avocado, and the Ventura County Sheriff's Department. We offer more than 30 degree and certificate programs. Let's take a look. Ventura County is one of the top agricultural counties in California. Therefore, we offer a variety of ag programs that touch on all aspects and sectors within the agriculture industry. Our agriculture business program prepares students for careers in sales, marketing, finance, accounting, supply chain logistics, production, and management within the agriculture sector. We support our local community by providing agriculture field supervisor classes in Spanish and English. Our program trains field supervisors to motivate and direct workers of different languages and personalities, and to meet quality standards that comply with government regulations. Our degree in plant science is a starting point for careers in crop production and soil sciences, agronomy, agricultural biology, plant biotechnology, pest control, and conservation of water farmlands and additional natural resources. Our food safety program trains students in highly sought-after skills critical to the agricultural and food processing industries. Career paths include quality assurance, quality control, harvest and post-harvest handling, sanitation, distribution, inspection, and compliance with government food safety laws and regulations. Veterinary technology students gain hands-on experience with animals of all sizes, preparing them for licensure as registered veterinary technicians who may work in veterinary clinics or other animal care-related settings. This program is offered at our East Campus in Santa Paula. Our popular business program offers degrees and certificates in accounting, administrative office assistant, bookkeeping, business, supervision, and social media marketing. We're proud of being on the cutting edge of offering one of the first social media marketing programs in California. Additionally, our business option is also offered through our program for accelerated college education, known as PACE, where busy adults can complete the 2-year option fully online with no textbook costs.
I earned a degree in communications more than 20 years ago. I wanted to update my skills, so I went back to Ventura College and I earned a certificate in social media marketing. Now I'm working as a social media manager.
Our automotive career education program provides hands-on, industry-standard training, preparing our students for careers like computerized engine control specialist, repair technician, service manager, and more. We collaborate with Toyota, supplying entry-level technicians to local dealerships. Our diesel mechanics program utilizes hands-on training in maintenance, diagnostics, and technical skills. Students learn about diesel engines, power systems, and brakes, and also develop soft skills like customer service and ethics. Our child development, elementary education, and transitional kindergarten programs train students to work with children of all ages. Students gain experience working in VC's award-winning STEM-based Child Development Center. Career paths include teaching, research, foster care, and juvenile justice advocacy. Our criminal justice program readies students for legal, law enforcement, security, or corrections roles. Our Basic Law Enforcement Academy prepares students for careers as California police officers. Partnering with Ventura County Sheriff's Department offers a distinctive learning opportunity. Ventura College offers certified nursing assistant, medical assisting program, and 3 accredited medical programs, including emergency medical technician, nursing science, and paramedic studies. The CNA program opens doors to roles in acute, long-term care and home health. It's a pathway to our nationally accredited nursing RN program, which readies students for state board exams and licensure as registered nurses. Our EMT program teaches vital emergency care, while paramedic students learn advanced procedures for hospital transfers. EMTs offer initial aid and paramedics perform complex medical interventions. Both programs prep for licensing exams and real-world experience.
Ventura College helped me when I really needed it. I gained a strong knowledge base and was confident that I knew the information for the national exam, and I have my professors to thank for that. After passing all of the requirements, I've been working at Glendale Fire Department as an ambulance operator. I really love my job and position.
Front and back office medical assistants are vital in the daily operations of a medical practice, handling administrative tasks and aiding physicians. Our program prepares students in 10 months so they can be workforce ready. Students completing the architectural program will acquire the skills to enter the field of architecture, advance within their current profession, or transfer to a university. Career opportunities include architectural designer, architectural drafters, model maker, specification writer, landscape architecture, urban planner, and more. Students gain knowledge in the use of industry standard software and technology. Areas of study include architectural design, architectural science, and architectural technology. In the construction technology program, students gain the knowledge to be ready for employment as contractors, building inspectors, project superintendents, and more. Areas of study include building inspection, construction management, and electrician trainee. The drafting program is designed to teach industrial design drafting for university transfer, career advancement, and exploration. Courses cover computer-assisted design, blueprint reading, measurements and computations, technical illustration, rapid design, and prototyping. Students gain knowledge in the use of industry, software, and technology. And areas of study include industrial design and manufacturing, and drafting technology.
I was hired at TOR Engineering and was offered a top wage right off the bat. My CAD skills have been invaluable, and I've gotten positive comments about my speed and accuracy.
Students entering the Advanced Manufacturing program will learn CNC machine operation, print interpretation and measurement skills using the most modern software and hardware. Our welding program prepares students for positions as welders, inspectors, project designers, and more. Students can complete a 1-year vocational certificate of achievement degree or a 2-year associate of science degree. The water science program provides technical training for careers in potable water and wastewater industries, protecting the health of the community and the environment.
The water industry is a great career path, and Ventura College Water Science program helped me further my career one class at a time.
We are excited for the future of our career education program. We have plans to add a forensic science technician program and a Bachelor of Science in Automotive Career Education. Our first-rate, affordable programs unlock a world of opportunities which help students become workforce ready for in-demand careers in Ventura County. Ventura College Career Education is a pathway to success.